Did you know that orchids are one of the largest and most diverse families of flowering plants, with over 25,000 documented species and more than 100,000 hybrids? Orchids have fascinating adaptations, such as unique structures that mimic insects to attract pollinators. These intricate flowers can be found on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in diverse habitats from tropical rainforests to Arctic tundras. Orchids have a special relationship with fungi, relying on them for germination and early growth. Surprisingly, vanilla, a popular flavoring, comes from the seed pods of the vanilla orchid. Orchids also have the smallest seeds in the plant kingdom, resembling dust particles. Despite their delicate appearance, orchids are resilient and have evolved remarkable strategies for survival and reproduction.